This is Mustafa Asrar and I'd like to present you my case study on Sydney water. The research question allocated to our group was, how can we make Sydney more livable so we are comfortable in the heat and have clean water? I would be focusing on the clean water section in my case study. The overview of the case study includes the issues on which I would be focusing, such as global climate change, due to which we are facing increasing sea levels all around the globe. Also, I would be focusing on the old water supplying infrastructure of Sydney. As a result of all these issues, we might have less drinking water in our future. Coming towards the increasing sea levels, as we know that we are facing increasing sea levels all around the globe due to global warming and climate change. The issues which we might face due to the increasing sea levels can be that untreated water might get mixed with the drinking water due to the overflowing. Also, seawater might enter into the low-lying drinking water supplies. As a result of both these issues, we might have non-usable water for almost everything and not just for drinking, because untreated water and seawater might get mixed with drinking water. I've chosen Hong Kong to compare it with Sydney for a few reasons, such as global status of both the cities is almost equal, thus attracting thousands of people from worldwide in the form of tourists, employees, students, etc. Also, a lot of resemblance can be seen in the climate of both the cities. Also, both are coastal cities. Population is also expected to grow in both the cities, but in Sydney at a higher rate comparatively. Now coming towards the Sydney's water issue. The issues that we are facing right now is that the water supplying infrastructure of Sydney is almost more than 70 years old, due to which there are leakages, mains and pipe bursts almost every other week. As a result, we are wasting approximately 120 million liters of water every day as per recorded in 2014. If we add up these figures, it makes up to 44 billion liters of water being wasted every year. Now coming towards the Hong Kong's approach towards the issue. Hong Kong started its water leakage detection program in 2001. The program included repairing and upgradation of water supply infrastructure to reduce the water losses. The program aimed to reduce the water losses from 25% to 15% in the span of 2001 till 2015. The results that were achieved through the Hong Kong's water leakage detection program are following. In 2002 and 2001, there were 2,479 pipers in Hong Kong, and in 2014 and 15 there were only 217 pipers. Also, there were 21,693 water leakages detected in 2000 and 2001, while there were only 12,111 water leakages detected in 2014 and 15, thus decreasing the numbers by approximately 50%. By the end of the program, there were some long-term results also achieved, such as reduction in costs both in operations as well as in maintenance due to less leakages and mains and pipe bursts. Also, there is less disturbance in the society. I would like to conclude by repeating the words of Mick Veitch, who is the opposition water spokesman of NSW, and thus highlighting the problem. Whether it's the York Street water main burst, Dulwich Hill water main burst, there isn't a week that goes by that there isn't a water main burst in Sydney. That is an indication of an aging and fragile infrastructure. Money has to be spent on upgrading infrastructure.